Okay, so this first screenshot to see if you have the appropriate versions of Python and pip installed, and to see if you need to follow any of these other tutorials. So first thing we're going to do is open up a terminal. I hit Apple space to get Spotlight search and type in terminal. And go ahead and hit enter. And I will open up a terminal, which I already had open up here, so it's not going to give me a new one. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and see if I have my Xcode tools installed. In order to do that, I'm just going to type out Xcode select install. If I hit tab here in my terminal, it will tab complete things for me so that I don't have to write everything out. So -- install. As I'm doing that, it says error, command line tools are already installed, so I have Xcode installed already, ready to go. The next thing I'm going to do is type Python. I know I have Python installed because it comes installed with MacOS, but I want to make sure I have the right version, so I'm going to do -- version. And I have Python 2.7 installed. This is not the Python version I want. I want to have Python 3 point something installed. Now, you might have Python 3 separate. So as you get to Python, you're going to want to tab complete, Python tab, and see if any of these possibilities comes up with a Python 3 instead of just a Python. In that case, you have both versions of Python running, and that's fine. You'll just want to make sure to use Python 3 when doing any of our versioning later. So finally, I want to see if I have pip installed, so I'm going to do the same thing, pip -- version. It's taken a minute here because my computer is working really hard, and it says I do have pip installed. So that is good for me. I happen to already have installed that, but it's also telling me I have it installed for Python 2.7, which isn't good for me. You would, again, you'd have it either be installed for Python 3 right here, or you would have something called pip3, which is the package manager for Python 3. If both of these are up to date with Python 3, you are all done and you don't need to follow any more of the Python and pip tutorials. If they are not up to date, you'll want to go ahead and follow the link in the classroom for Python and pip, and going to this install guide or watching the video that shows you how to do the installment.